Well, this is Zach's first load still. We got 2 deliveries to do today. Well, we're at our first stop on this load, so we're gonna make sure that the people in Fayetteville, Arkansas get their drink on tonight. So we're delivering their beer over here, and Zach got to drive and make a lot of turns this morning, didn't you?
Oh yeah, plenty of them.
Plenty of turns this morning. So we're delivering here. It's a 5 o'clock appointment. It's 4:45. We've been here for a while. The gate was locked when we showed up, so we had to wait for somebody to come in. They unlocked the gate, swung it open. We drove in, went and checked in. It took a little while to check in, and now we're waiting for this guy in the dock over here to move his little box truck out of there whenever he comes in. And we're gonna back into there and deliver this load. Well, we're in the dock at the O2. They're gonna start unloading the product now. So before you know it, we'll be out of here. It's kind of a weird dock. We had to go like around the edge of the building right there. We had to come from over there around the edge of the building and then to the spot that we're in now. So it was kind of interesting. I mean, there's a lot of room out here to do it, so I mean, it wasn't hard. So we made it in there safely. We didn't hit nothing. We didn't hit nothing. That sounded guilty. But it's all good. We're gonna deliver this load, and then we're gonna take off to the 90, deliver there too. Alright, so we just finished dropping that load off. Shut the door. That's the rest of the product for the next location. You gotta push on the door to give it slack and then unhook the chain. Swing it around. Work the handle. See that? Pick the handle up, swing it out. Now shut it. Wrong way. There you go.
It's just the locks in the way.
Pick it up some. There you go. So we're gonna put this prime seal on here. So the load's sealed back up, and we're gonna put our prime lock on there. Locks on there. Now we want to slide the tandems. We're going to come over here and because we don't want to drive with the tandems this far back. So we need to pull that handle right there. Pull that handle, that the little silver one right here.
Oh, okay.
Pull it out. That releases the pins. Now you want to get in the truck and only release the tractor brake, because we want these tandems, we want the brakes to stay locked. If they stay locked, that means that they're not going to roll. So we want to leave the trailer brake set, release the tractor brake, and back up until they slide all the way to the front. You'll have to turn the key off and back on since it died. So what we pretty much did is we pulled out of the dock over there. Pulled out of the dock, went over there, had to spin it around, come over here. Put our lock, shut our doors, put the lock on the trailer. And now we're going to slide these tandems all the way up. Hopefully he left the trailer brake out so that the brakes are set on the trailer and there's no air in there to push the pins back out. Okay, we got the truck restarted and we're going to slide these tandems up to the front. Oh, go forward. Hey, pull up a little bit. Give it a tug forward. Now go backwards. Back up. Nice and slow. You'll hear it, you'll feel it when it stops you. Go all the way back. Alright. Put air in the trailer. When you put air in the trailer, it pushes the pins back out. Now set the trailer brake and you want to give it a tug forward and backwards. Make sure the pin's in the hole. Did you hear that? That's whenever they lock in. So we move the tandems all the way up. Alright, well, we got some extra time, so we're gonna go jump in the shower and get a nice shower. My shower bag's always set up and ready, so all I gotta do is grab this thing, throw the strap over, and we're on our way to a shower. So, you know, when you got some extra time, might as well get you a shower while you can, because who knows what's gonna happen after this load. Could be a fast pickup after this that we won't have much time on, so let's get our shower now. Got a shower, so we're feeling fresh. We're gonna go ahead and go into the 90. So they have overnight parking. Maybe they'll take us early. At our 90, got checked in. We got door 13. We're about to back into door 13. Wish us luck. So we're gonna open these doors. Open your side and chain it up. All right, come back here. We'll look up this line and we'll look at this dock. We're gonna look at it from back here to make sure that we're lined up good. So you see this bumper right here on both sides?
Yeah.
That's where we want the edge of the trailer to hit. Look at this line right here. You want to stand on this line on the ground right here and look up the edge of that trailer, see what you need to do. If you brought it straight back, it would come right in here, right?
Yeah, I think
so. All you got to do is keep it straight and bring it straight back in here until you're on the dock. Once you bump up against the dock, we'll get out and make sure that that plate fits, the plate right there fits into the middle of the trailer. If it doesn't, we'll have to pull up and fix it where it does.
Okay.
We got lucky at the 90. We came in early to use their overnight parking, and they went ahead and put us right in a door. They're already unloading it. Fingers crossed we'll be right out of here. So I got a pre-planned load coming up, so I'm gonna start working on that. But you can see me bouncing around. That's them in the trailer unloading all that stuff. So we'll see what's in store for the rest of the day. Well, Zach done finished his first load. As soon as he gets that lock off and it closes this empty trailer, we'll be good.
This one, right?
Yeah. If you can tell, he's not wearing jeans no more. He's my little mini-me. He started wearing shorts like me. It's more comfortable. You had it unlocked. I seen it unlocked. Unlock it. Unlock it.
Damn it.
You can't say that on my YouTube.
Yeah, no, my problem is getting it out.
Pull it straight down.
There we go.
And the door's locked. That's an empty lock trailer right there. That was his first load. All right, we had a really hard time finding this place, but this is our shipper for Zach's load number 2. So if y'all thought he was done for the day, y'all were wrong, because we're going for load number 2. Picking it up from here in Arkansas, Little Rock, heading up to Illinois with it. So, second load. All right, well, we're gonna go into the shipping office right now, so I'll see you when I get out. Well, Zach was almost perfect, having everything the equal distance to the line. His truck's a little bit over, and his head's a little bit over. But shoot, we're not nitpicking it. I mean, like, he's against the wall and, like, he's in the dock, so they can load it from there. He's getting better, like, way better. This side, you can see how far he actually is off. See how your truck's over further this side?
Yeah.
That's what created your head to go back over. But it's looking good. He's learning how to back out here. How you feel about backing?
Getting better.
Getting better. Well, we had a pretty long day today. Got the beer load done, so Zachary's first load's done. There's no more thirsty people in Arkansas because we deliver that beer. So hopefully they're out celebrating with it, or drinking their sadness away, or making bad decisions, whatever they're doing. But they got their beer now, so. But Zach, how's it going?
Pretty good. I feel good about that backing job.
He's been doing good. I've been letting him back more and more on his own, telling him a lot less every time, and he's picking it up. He's getting an eye for it. Once it snaps, he has it. So he's doing awesome. But we're out here in I don't even know where we're at. We're still in Arkansas. We're at a TA in Arkansas. So, but we're doing our next load. We just picked it up earlier. We're taking it all the way to Indiana. So
Oh, we're pretty close to Memphis, actually.
yeah, we're real close to Memphis. We decided to stop before Memphis, get a 10-hour break, get up really early in the morning, and then take off to Memphis, because you don't really want to go through Memphis during the rush hour. So we kind of like wanted to put it off to early morning. Hopefully we'll just be able to slide right through it. But we're doing great out here. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, leave me messages, whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and everybody be safe out there.